Warm, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. This Goan Vatana Usal is perfect for breakfast and you'll want to make it again and again. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. In a bowl, I'm adding half cup of white peas. I'll soak it with water overnight. In the morning, I'll wash it with plain water. I added water into it and now I'm transferring it into a pressure cooker. Add salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add more water if required. Cover with the lid. Cook until one whistle comes. Place a pan on low to medium flame. Add half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 3 cloves, half inch of cinnamon stick, 4 black peppercorns, 1 petal of star anise, half inch of peeled ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Roast for a few minutes until it releases an aroma. Now we will transfer this into a bowl. In the same pan, I am adding 1 sliced onion. Roast until it turns light brown in color. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share, hype, and subscribe for more recipes. We'll transfer the onion into the same bowl. Next, into the same pan, add a half cup of grated coconut. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and roast until the coconut turns light brown in color. Then turn off the flame and transfer the coconut into the same bowl. Now let it cool. The peas are cooked well. Next, into the mixer jar, transfer the roasted ingredients. Add a marble-sized tamarind soaked in water. Add little water. Cover with the lid and grind into a thick paste. The masala is ground well. We'll keep this aside for now. Next, place a kadai on medium flame. Heat some oil in it. Add half teaspoon of hing. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 stem of curry leaves. Stir it. Add one small chopped onion. We will saute until the onion turns translucent. One small green chili chopped. Mix well. Add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now we will add the ground masala. Add the cooked white peas. We will mix this well. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped sugarcane jaggery. Since there was some masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and now I am transferring it into the kadai. You may add more water if required. Add salt as per your taste and mix well. Add half green chili slit. Mix it. Now I am adding some coriander leaves washed and chopped. Let it cook and boil. Once it starts thickening, switch off the flame. I am garnishing it with chopped coriander leaves. Our authentic Goan Vatana Usal is ready, rich, thick and bursting with beautiful flavors. The white peas have soaked up every spice, creating a comforting, hearty dish that's both simple and incredibly satisfying. Garnished with fresh coriander leaves and served hot with soft pao o poi. Every bite is warm, wholesome and full of taste. This is the kind of meal that brings comfort, nostalgia and smiles to the table. Let's serve it while it's hot and enjoy. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.